Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST and ISO certified 9001-2015 institution. I am Ashia. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use hyperlink in Excel. It plays an important feature in Excel. So what is hyperlink? In the workbook, hyperlink functions create a shortcut that jumps to another location and it opens a document stored on an internet or server. So when you click the cell that contains a hyperlink, Excel jump to the current location. It defines a result. So firstly select the cell where you insert the hyperlink. Then go to Insert tab. In Insert tab we'll get hyperlink option here. So click here link. Or else even you can use the shortcut key mouse right click, then use shortcut key Control K. Or else directly you can select from here. So here we are getting one dialog box. In this one existing file of web page, place in this document. Already I stored my data. You can see here I have sales report 2018 sales, 2019 sale and 2020 sale. I want to search my data right now. So how to search the data? We have to click on the option place in this document. So here you can see it. Hyperlinks I have prepared here 2018 sale, 2019 sale and 2020 sales. So first of all I have inserted here 2018 sales, then click on the 2018 sales, then give OK. Again same as it is, we have to select 2019 sales, right click, go to hyperlink. Here we have to click on 2019 sales, then insert OK. Same as it is we have to do for 2020 sales, right click, go to hyperlink. In hyperlink we have to use the option here 2020 sale, then insert OK. So hyperlink is generated here. Once I click on 2018 sales, by default it is getting open sales report 2018. If I click on 2019 sales, by default it is getting open the sales of report 2019. So this is the easiest way to generate hyperlink in Excel. This is all for today. If you like this video, subscribe our channel. In upcoming video I'll be teaching you some more interesting topic in Excel. Thank you. Bye bye.